Good evening, everyone. Like I said this morning in my short, I will be doing an unboxing of the Dremel 4000. And if you're new here, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because I will be doing more unboxings. And I've got some fantastic builds I'm going to be doing, and I'm looking forward to build them. So, here we go. Well, first impressions. This has my other video. Let's look at the print size on this. Better than the Craftsman. It's not a 4-point font. I can actually read this without my optivisor. Okay. Set that aside. First impression on the case, things are kind of strewn about, so variable speed knob, all the way to 35. I, however, probably won't be using that because I have a Fordham flex shaft pedal that I will plug this into, which will make it where I just crank this all the way up and use the flex shaft pedal to control its speed. That would be the grip. Make it very a little easier to handle if you're doing something that requires grip. Little Red Rouge. An easy lock cutoff wheel. Case has case actually has markings where everything's supposed to go in it. We'll see how well that works as I use it. Feels good in the hand. You can hang it for other attachments. I do believe Dremel has a flex shaft thing you can put on it. I already have a Fordham, so I don't need the flex shaft. I'm using this mainly for when my hands are tired of using the Fordham flex piece and the vibration, seeing I do not have a micro motor. sanding grinding guide that I think that controls your depth. Circle cutter, so it could be slightly used as a router. I believe that would be the bit it would use for that. I will probably be adapting some real router bits. Various sanding discs, stone discs. Overall, first impressions has got a lot of capability with the burrs you can use, the cutoff wheel. Overall, as I get into using it, I will actually do a review on after using some of these items. First impressions is it's a good buy. It was fairly inexpensive. I will post the price I paid for it at Lowe's Home Improvement in the description. I will be doing another unboxing tomorrow of the Porter Cable bench top belt sander with a side disc. I hope you'll join me then. Have a good evening. Small review of something I've discovered with the Dremel 4000 kit. It has to do with the handle. You put the handle on, and you can use the nut that goes with the handle. However, you cannot thread on the edge guide, or the cutting guide. It will not thread on. As I haven't said, I am not being paid by Dremel or anyone to do this. I bought this item for my shop with my own money. So I'm going to give you the good with the bad. This will get you tinkering. This will need some kind of adjustment to extend the threads on the Dremel to be able to use the other items with the handle. Has enough here to get you playing around with it, maybe learning it a bit, but you're going to need to buy some other stuff to make this completely functional. I did a couple of test cuts with the router bit, or the hole cutter, they said, though. It cuts fairly well. It didn't have any problem, didn't bog down, even at low speeds.